the adversity is already kicking in. So today we got another job. So there's another job. So we deliver this paper, which is in addition to the magazines and stuff like this.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We was doing it every other week, and then they reduced the printing schedule to once a month. It was beneficial because I didn't have to come lug all these papers around every other week because it was inconvenient. But at the same time, it wasn't beneficial because obviously that cut into the money that I'm able to make with it, right? And now it's raining, it's wet. They're newspapers. Sometimes where you deliver the newspapers to, the location is closed, you gotta put it outside. Now I gotta do an extra step, like bundle it. It's inconvenient. But now we're down here to pick the papers up and going about our day. And the current hurdle is after all the other hurdles for the day. But the current hurdle is we got to wait for the papers to be delivered. So they were supposed to be here about an hour ago. And now they're supposed to be here in 10 minutes. That was 10 minutes ago. So we currently figuring it out. We're going to keep figuring it out. We'll see y'all when we get further along in the process.
12 seconds later.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, we got the papers. Put my seatbelt on. So we finally got them. When my man got there, he was like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all look like y'all waiting for the papers. We absolutely are, my good sir. And he gave us the opportunity to help him unload the papers, which really just meant like push the little. I ain't one of the you know the worker guys, so I don't be knowing the terms like that. You know what I'm saying? So excuse my ignorance.
Courier.
But the pallet holder or the pallet, it's anyway the paper pallet. Let's call it the paper pallet. So it was just like he got the little dolly and we just had to push the papers from the other side and then help take the papers from the actual pallet inside. Now, granted, 50% almost of the papers on the whole pallet belong to us. So then we just, you know what I'm saying, shot them right to the car. You know what I'm saying? Did about 2 loads to the thing. Helped the old white lady. She ain't have to move no papers. And I'm pretty sure on a usual basis she do. She be looking like her knees hurt when we come in. I ain't gonna hold y'all. And help my man, you know what I'm saying? So then we made $20 for that. We're gonna sock that to our pocket like a rocket. You know what I'm saying? That's a good little blessing for the day. You know what I'm saying? Been a rough morning. So we appreciate that. So now we're gonna try to go deliver some before it's time to take out the dong and you know what I'm saying? Get on, man. You know what I'm talking about? Look, side note, y'all. Side note, I told my son he wasn't gonna have no time to take a shower today. He thought I was playing, you know what I'm saying? We rocking it up and rocking it hard. We rocking it soft. You know what I'm talking about? Today is the day we gotta hug the block. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about we gotta tight squeeze it. We cuddling with the block today. So we'll see y'all on the flip side, man.
Alright, I'm going.
Alright, man. So look, it's nighttime. It's 6:44. So for real, I really ain't. It done ate up all my time, all my time, and not really sent me nothing. They done sent me 3 orders, but for like 3 cities away. So they want me to go 3 cities away. So I already know the move. I know what they be getting on with that. They want me to go 3 cities away, and then I'm gonna end up delivering it a city away from that. Now I'm 4 cities away for $9. Nah, ain't gonna happen, man. You want me to go 4 cities away for the hot 9, boy? I ain't doing none of that. Now, what I do see on here is something that I think has to do with Uber's minimum wage thing. When I logged on today, it say my earnings for today is $8.45. I haven't done the orders. You know what I'm saying? So 0 trips completed, 0 points, $8.45. I think they adjusted my account because they know they were sending me some bull jive. So all of the orders that I done accepted been bull jive. And trying to see if my, look, I'm talking mess. Right now they got one. They want me to go to, where is that? renting. Yeah, they still want me to go to renting. Yeah, no, man, I ain't going to renting, dog. I ain't doing none of that. So I think they adjusted it because they only been sending me, you know, low orders. So them's is the breaks. All right, got another one. Hold on, I got another one. What it say? Man, this is that. Look, this is where I'm at. This is where they want me to go, and then this is where they want me to deliver. Bruh, Nah, I think, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna leave it on for a couple more seconds. If I don't get nothing in this area that I'm in, so I can just, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna turn it off, and that's gonna be that. And I'll talk to y'all probably tomorrow.
One eternity later.
All right, so we are in Tacoma, Roma. Man, I'm about 15 cities. Look, I know y'all said, I know the last time I seen y'all, I said I ain't want to go 2-3 cities away from no damn Uber order. But the paper I was telling you about the other day, they got a Tacoma route. And it's crazy. Something I thought about is like doing this damn paper route and it only being once a month is convenient for the, you know, the hassle of everything. But I really don't make no money to do it, bro. The whole route, right? So I got mine, which is Seattle, and then I took over somebody's that's North Seattle, and then now I took over somebody else's, which is Tacoma. So now that's a total of 4 routes from them. All in total, the only thing it pay for is my damn my car insurance. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all it pay for. And then something else I thought about is, hold on, let me make sure I'm going the right way. You know what I'm saying? Because then I gotta skip a spot on there because it ain't conducive to my current schedule. But I thought about, but that leads me into the other thing that I'm saying. I thought about something else. I think I might be the busiest broke person y'all have ever seen. I'm telling y'all. You know what I'm saying? I thought about something. I think that's what I'm gonna name the video, is Broke and Busy. Because when you think about like work and work ethic and stuff like that, you in your head, for whatever reason, I think it might come from school, you think, oh, all you got to do is work real hard and then you'll get ahead in life. But if you're not doing the right type of work, if you're not working on something that has the ability to get big enough, you can work real hard and not get a darn thing out of it, man. Listen. So I was like, man, listen, I got to do this. Bro, ain't no, most of it don't pay. And then the this that I do got to do that do pay, bro, we talking about, you know what I'm saying? Chump change for real. You know what I'm talking about? All of it just remind me of my son talking mess to me, talking about, you know what I'm saying? I told him hey, look, I got a little lick, man. We go you know what I'm saying? We gonna bust down here with a little lick. You know what I'm saying? I told him how much. I was like, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna pay $30. Niggas said, $30? What is, brother, that is not a lick. You know what I'm talking about? That ain't none of that, bro. That's oh my God, that is funny because the man ain't lied, man. I'm telling you, there ain't nothing lickable about $30. That is one trip for one half of a meal at our local Safeway. That's what that is. You know what I'm saying? Like if we got 4 out of the 6 ingredients to make it, and then we go get the other couple ingredients and maybe a little extras, that's about $30 right there. That's what that is right there. So yeah, that's that. What else I want to say to y'all? Man, I don't know if I want to save it for this video. Man, look, in the next video, I'm about to tell y'all how I blew this damn trading account. That's what I'm going to do, man. You know what I'm saying? In the next video, I'm going to tell y'all how I blew this damn trading account, man. You know what I'm saying? I was tired, being greedy. You know what I'm saying? Thinking that I know stuff. Like, man, I know stuff. I know where, you know what I'm saying? It was a bad situation. But in this episode, we finishing up Cybertruck. We finishing up this route. And then we got the monthly routes for the magazine company happening next week. So we'll see y'all soon. All right, we'll holler.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we